All right, UFO community, there's something we need to talk about. So you see this picture right here I'm looking at right now that's on the screen that everybody's looking at. We're all looking at it. I'm looking at it, you looking at it. So there have been a number of drones being spotted around the country. Okay. So first off, I don't give a fuck about no drone, bro. Like, I don't care if I thought we were looking for a UAP. Alarm just went off. I had to turn it off. But I thought we were looking for UAP, not a fucking drone. So if you take a look at this UAP, UAP, UFO, if you take a look at it, this is clearly that motherfucker look like a plane to me. I mean, I see two wings. It looks like a plane. And I seen somebody say that red light is weird looking. Bro, what fucking superior I don't even know what you're being. What's kind of, like, you mean to tell me something that's far superior to a human being is coming to Earth and something that looks like a fucking plane with FAA lights on it? I don't. What do you call it? FAA traffic lights, or what do you call that? So y'all can't be that gullible. You mean to tell me grown ass adult men think this fucking craft that looks exactly like a plane is from another solar system or another galaxy? I'm like, bro, y'all have to be trolling me right now, bro. I'm literally getting upset about this shit. Y'all have to be trolling right now. Yeah, you're not for real. You can go all through Reddit pages and UFO Reddit and everything, and Instagram pages, Facebook, and these motherfuckers think these drones are NHI, non-human intelligence. Non-human intelligence. Did I say non-humans? Whatever. They think it's NHI, non-human intelligence. That's what they think this shit is. That thing that looks like an airplane. If I tell my 5-year-old, or if my matter of fact, in real life, if I tell my 8-year-old nephew, hey, make a paper plane and then draw lights on it, it's gonna look just like that. And you think some superior being from another galaxy is pulling up to Earth and that shit? That's a drone, bro. I don't care what nobody says. If that's not a drone, it's a goddamn plane. Oh, that red light in the middle is weird. What's a red light? When the stoplight has a red light. What's weird about a fucking red light? Because it's on the bottom of a craft. Who gives any? I don't give a tenth of a fuck, bro. I don't give a half of a fuck. I don't give a thousandth of a fuck. That shit is clearly a drone or it's a fucking airplane or some kind of man-made craft, bro. It's clearly man-made. This what kills me about this whole ET and extraterrestrial UFO maybe being from another galaxy or something, and who's in the UFO. This what kills me about all of this. Like, we keep trying to compare what we know as humans to everything in the fucking universe, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, we don't even know what's in the oceans. Y'all think we know everything about the universe? Just because we need craft that look like this or designed like this or built like that, created like that to fly through the sky, doesn't mean that something from a whole fucking other galaxy that's 6,000 light years would have to do that. Why the fuck would if a motherfucker can get 6,000 light years to our planet in a few weeks, or even, bro, if it takes somebody 500 years to get 6,000 light years away to this planet, if they did that in 500 years, that motherfucker might as well be God himself, bro. 6,000 light years in 500 years. We can't even get 1 light year, bro. It'll take us tens of thousands of years just to travel 1 fucking light year. 1 light year. One. The nearest star to us is like 3 light years, bro, or something. I'm not saying that this is the actual answer or anything. I may be fucking it up, or I'm saying misinformation or disinformation, whatever, bro. But the closest star to us, the closest solar system that's not this solar system, is like 3, 4, 5 light years away. Bro, that shit would take us like 50,000 years with the technology we have now. That shit take us tens of thousands of years to get to that next solar system, bro, the next star to us. So you mean to tell me somebody came from 10,000 times that distance and they got here in a relatively decent time? It didn't take them 100,000 years like us. They probably took only a couple centuries. And we don't know how they age. A couple centuries to us may be a day for them. Like, we don't know. It's all this space-time shit is wild. But you mean to tell me something, not somebody, something can travel 6,000 light years, but they pulling up in fucking airplanes with FAA traffic lights? Come on, bro. So yeah, this shit just been kind of pissing me off. I'm not gonna lie. Like, come on, bro. Like, these are fucking wings, brother. What's that red light? It's a red light. I don't know what it's for, but it's just a fucking red light, bro. Wings, like, come on, propellers, everything. You can see the means of propulsion. It's built like a plane. We understand how planes and all of that shit. We understand how they work. What's Nothing is mind-boggling about this. It's a fucking plane. If it's not a plane, it's a drone that's built like a plane, in the shape of a plane, to throw you off or for aerodynamics or something. I don't know, but it's something that looks like a plane. It's clearly made by a fucking Homo sapien, bro. Clearly. Y'all think an alien made that shit, bro? I'm done. I quit, bro. I'm done.